Well, if I told you you can get rid of your fat without surgery, what would you say? You can make your love handles, your muffin top, back fat, that baby belly fat, abdominal bulge disappear without surgery, literally freeze everything away. Well, Dr. Marguerite, Germain, and Lauren Whitehead of Germain Dermatology in Mount Pleasant are here to tell us the new way to take care of all those problems. How are you guys today?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Very much.
I have to say, you have to explain this to me because when I started reading about it, I couldn't believe it.
Well, it's unbelievable, really, but it's called CoolSculpting by Zeltiq. And like you said, it is the newest and coolest way to eliminate those fat bulges without damaging other tissue. So there's no anesthesia, there's no incisions, there's no needles,
wow.
There's no risk, no complications, no recovery time. So it really is something. It's like a dream come true. Patients are very happy with the results, and it's very safe.
Okay, explain to me, I mean, does it hurt? Does it take some downtime to get, do you have to take some time off of work? I don't, how is this possible? It sounds like a miracle drug almost.
Yeah, it is almost a miracle because there's absolutely no recovery time. Patients leave the office and they go to the gym, they go back to work. So there's no recovery time at all.
Okay, I think we actually have some video of the procedure, and we just kind of want to go to that so we can.
Okay.
What are we looking at right now?
So what happens is the applicator is applied to the skin. The skin is completely unaffected. The cold is very carefully and precisely delivered to the fat layer. Some of the fat cells in that area crystallize, and then over 2 to 4 months, those fat cells are gently removed by the body's own metabolic processes, so there's no stress on the body. And then those cells are eliminated forever. And the fat cells rearrange and condense. And then over a 3-month period, so 90 days that you see here, the fat layer is reduced and the bulge is gone.
Wow. Well, what kind of patients would we see doing this type of thing? I mean, some people, they say, well, I just want to go ahead and get lipo. And then some people are saying, I don't want to do something that's that invasive and might be dangerous. So are those the type of patients that you're seeing?
Well, we're seeing men and women that are struggling with just the small fat bulges that aren't easily reduced with diet and exercise.
Now, I know this might be incorrect, but I've heard that cortisol, is that what it's called? It can collect around your stomach, especially when you have stress and things like that. So would you say that older people are coming to you, or people of all ages? I mean, of course, 18 and over probably, but what is the age range?
So certainly there is no limit necessarily. We're seeing patients that are 20 years old to 65 years old. But you have to remember that it's not a treatment for obesity. It's not, and for people who are too thin, it's not a treatment either. So they have to have stubborn bulges that just won't go away.
Okay, so let's say someone's pretty active, but there's those trouble spots they just can't get rid of. Would they be a candidate for this type of procedure, would we say?
Definitely.
Yes. Those are the patients that are coming to see us.
Yeah. Well, give me some information about some before and afters. I think we have there's some pictures right there.
Yeah, so we have some before and afters. This is a patient who came to see us with an abdominal pooch, and you can see she's very happy with her results. She had no downtime. 2 to 4 months later, I mean, this was 3 months later, she was very happy. Her abdominal pooch was reduced.
How long would that last, though, something like this? I mean, that's amazing right there.
So these are men who are coming to see us who have love handles, and he was very happy again with the results. And the results are permanent. The fat cells are gone forever. So that bulge is basically gone forever without any lumpiness or anything, that other procedures we're finding.
Well, I know that we've definitely probably spiked some ears at home. So let's go ahead and tell people some information where they can go to find you all, maybe a phone number. Right there on the screen, you can see all of that information, but if you could just give us an email address.
They can certainly come to see us at Germain Dermatology. We're actually having a Zeltiq night, so they can come to our office on October the 14th. Our website is germaindermatology.com.
Wow. And you guys are located in Mount Pleasant?
Yes, we're located in Mount Pleasant, so nearby to everyone.
Great. Well, thank you all so very much for joining us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.